this is Tejamana Solejo. Today I'll be taking up class 3 computer. Today we'll be discussing on lesson 3, understanding Windows. The topic which we'll be talking about are Microsoft Windows, starting of a computer, and Windows desktop. First of all, let us all know what is Windows. Windows is a collection of programs known as an operating system that controls a personal computer. Taking up an example, a bus, it contains of a body, engines within, wheels and fuel, but it cannot be run without a driver. So when the driver starts the bus, it becomes ready. Similarly, there is a computer driver, which is an operating system that enables a computer to run. Operating systems, there are of two types, single user and multi-users. What are single users? Single users are systems operated by a single person on a personal computer. Example like our personal computers like Windows 7 and 8. Multi-users, they are operated by more than one person through networking. Like there will be a one-man server and with link with user A, B, C, and D. Now coming to Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows, it is an operating system and it is the main program which provides working process on all our computer. And the next is starting of a computer. Let us all switch and know from the very beginning how to switch on a computer. To switch on the starting of a computer, to start a computer, we need to follow some few steps. Step 1, switch on the plug. Step 2, switch on the UPS. While pressing the UPS, they will make a sound. Step 3, press on the CPU button. Step 4, press on the monitor button. Step 5, wait till the monitor light goes on. Step 6, your computer is ready to use. After starting off a computer, next we'll go with Windows Desktop. Now we have started our computer and a screen appears. So this screen appears on the monitor. So this is known as a desktop. And in this desktop is a collection of icons, mouse pointer, wallpaper, taskbar, start and shut down buttons. So we'll discuss it one by one. What are icons? Icons, they are small pictures, symbols, which can be visible on the desktop. These are called the icons. They are used to open a program, folder, or files. For icon selection, we have to point out to activate these icons following some few steps. Step 1, put the mouse pointer over any of the icons. Right click it, open. Now the icons has been opened. After selecting the icon, it will be surrounded by a colored squares. And to close down this icon, go to the right top button, close, press this red button, close. Now the icon has been closed. Now let us all know what is mouse pointer. This is the mouse pointer, which is also known as tool selector or tool activator. It is used to select or activate any icon or object visible on the screen. Next, wallpaper. The colorful image that we can see in our computer, this is called the wallpaper. Taskbar. Taskbar, it is the longest horizontal bar that can be seen at the bottom of the desktop. In this taskbar, it contains of start button, quit launch bar, and the system tray and show desktop button. Start button. Start button is used to perform various functions. When we left click the start button, a menu appears on the screen. This is known as the start menu. This is known as the quit launch bar, and in quit launch bar it contains shortcut programs, options of programs and applications. System tray. System tray, it shows all the date and time of the system. These are the date and time of the system that is shown in the system tray. Show desktop button. This is the show desktop button. To open this, we have to first open up a folder of files. To open up a folder of files, we can select any kind of files or folder from these icons. Double click it, or you can right click it, open it, and when all the programs and displays the desktop of to show the desktop button, go to the desktop button, right click it. So now the desktop button has been shown on the computer. Windows shortcut buttons. When we open a window, to open a window, we can select any icons from here. Like I have said, we can use double click or right click it, open. Some symbols are appeared on the right top here. So this is the minimize button, this is maximize button, and this is close button. First we'll discuss what is minimize button. To minimize this, left click it, and now it appears on the taskbar. To bring it to the normal, left click it, now it comes to normal. Now maximize button. To maximize the button, now we'll restore the button. To restore the button, left click this, now it has come to the with this we can drag this however you want to display it, and so now to bring it to minimize, click this, now it has come to normal. And to close this file, you can click this red button, left click it, close. Now the file has been closed. To switch off the computer, click on the start button, shut down, left click it, and the computer will automatically shut down. While shut it down, you don't have to press on the CPU button. After this is being closed, press on the UPS, and then the last step, switch off the plug. So today we have learned about Microsoft Windows, starting off a computer, and Windows desktop. Thank you, stay safe, prevention is better than cure. See you in the next class.